Now I'll show you how to fold towels so they fit perfectly on our shelf. First, fold the towel in half, and with the decorative edge, place that along this edge of the template. And we're going to fold the bottom in until it is the width of the shelf template. And then you fold that in half. So now that we have a nice straight half shelf length. And then simply fold and roll. Now, this is the size of our shelf in our template. So we're just going to fold in the bottom of that, and that will fit nicely on our shelf. Now I'll show you how to fold a hand towel so it fits perfectly on our shelf. First, lay out the hand towel so that the decorative edge lines up with the edge of the template. We're going to fold it so that it's about 1/3 of the way up, which is about half of a shelf, and then fold it again, and that is the width of a half of a shelf. And then you'll just fold it in half, and you put it on your shelf with the decorative edge folded out like that.